The 5 meta skills that make you unstoppable. We're all obsessed with learning the right skills, aren't we? You know the ones: coding, data analysis, digital marketing, all the buzzwords that cram job descriptions. We spend a ton of time and money trying to keep up, just hoping to build a career that doesn't just disappear. But what if I told you most of those skills have a shockingly short shelf life? The World Economic Forum recently reported that about 39% of a worker's core skills will need to change by 2030. That's not some distant future, that's right around the corner. The ground is constantly shifting under our feet, and it creates this gnawing anxiety, that feeling that you're always one step behind, always on the verge of becoming obsolete. And yet, a few people don't seem worried. They just glide through change, picking up new abilities like it's nothing, and thriving no matter what you throw at them. They aren't superhuman, and they don't have a crystal ball. Their secret? They stopped chasing temporary skills. Instead, they mastered a handful of meta skills. Meta skills are the master keys. They're the higher-level abilities that let you learn everything else faster and more effectively. Stick with me, and I'll show you the 5 foundational meta skills that will make you adaptable, resilient, and pretty much unstoppable in any field you choose. Meta skill 1: learning agility. The master skill. First up, the big one: learning agility. This isn't just about being a quick study. It's the much deeper ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn on a dime. The futurist Alvin Toffler nailed it when he said, "The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn." Think of it like this. Most people learn skills like they're collecting fish. They grab one, then another, hoping their bucket is full enough to eat for a lifetime. But learning agility isn't about collecting fish. It's about learning how to fish. Master that and you can feed yourself forever, no matter what ocean you end up in. It's the skill that builds every other skill. In a world where AI can handle technical tasks, your real value isn't just the skill you have today. It's your power to gain the skills you'll need tomorrow. Learning agility lets you jump from one industry to the next, master new software in a week, or break down a ridiculously complex problem into bite-sized pieces. So how do you get it? You start by getting curious about how you learn. It's called metacognition, which is just a fancy way of saying thinking about your own thinking. After you learn something, don't just move on. Ask yourself, what worked best for me? Was it the book, the video, or getting my hands dirty with a project? Where did I get stuck and why? Figuring out your personal learning blueprint is step 1. Then practice deconstruction. Pick anything you want to learn and break it down into its smallest parts. Don't try to learn marketing. That's way too big. Break it down into copywriting, SEO, and consumer psychology. Then break those down. This turns overwhelming mountains into manageable hills and shows you the core things you need to nail first. Real learning agility isn't about speed. It's about strategy. Meta skill 2, radical self-awareness, your inner compass. All right, the second meta skill is radical self-awareness. If learning agility is about mastering the world of knowledge outside of you, self-awareness is about mastering the world inside of you. It's the brutally honest, continuous job of understanding your own emotions, your strengths, your weaknesses, your biases, what really makes you tick. Without this, all your efforts to grow are going to get sabotaged from the inside. You'll get frustrated and quit for reasons you don't understand. You'll hear feedback and take it as a personal attack. You'll chase goals you think you should want instead of what you actually want. A lack of self-awareness is like trying to navigate a dense jungle without a compass. You'll feel like you're moving, but you're just walking in circles. In the workplace, we call this emotional intelligence. And it turns out that a massive chunk of our success comes from these so-called soft skills. As AI and automation take over routine tasks, the very human ability to manage yourself and connect with others becomes a superpower. Developing this starts with deliberate reflection. And one of the best tools is dead simple: journaling. Seriously, spend 5 minutes at the end of the day answering a few questions. What gave me energy today? What drained it? When did I feel defensive or triggered? And what was really behind that? This creates a feedback loop for your own mind, letting you spot patterns you'd otherwise miss completely. Another game changer is mindfulness. And no, you don't have to go meditate on a mountaintop for an hour. It can be as simple as taking 2 minutes to just focus on your breath before a tough meeting. The whole point is to create a tiny bit of space between a trigger and your reaction. In that space, you get to choose how you respond, instead of letting your knee-jerk emotions run the show. Meta skill 3, creative problem solving, the innovator's mindset. So you're learning fast and you know yourself. What's next? That brings us to our third meta skill, creative problem solving. When the world is stable and predictable, following the rules is a great strategy. But our world is, well, not that. The challenges we face in our careers and in our lives are messy, they're ambiguous, and they definitely don't come with an instruction manual. Creative problem solving is the ability to stare into that foggy uncertainty and come up with something new. It's a mix of critical thinking, analyzing and finding flaws, and creative thinking, connecting ideas and imagining new possibilities. So many people think creativity is some magical gift you're either born with or you're not. That's a myth. It's a skill. It's a muscle you build by training your brain to see connections where others don't. An AI can optimize a process that already exists, but true innovation comes from the human spark of asking, what if, and solving problems that haven't even been clearly defined yet. To build this skill, you have to get uncomfortable. Actively expose yourself to different stuff. Read books and watch videos way outside your area of expertise. Talk to people who have lived completely different lives than you. Breakthrough ideas almost never happen in an echo chamber. They happen at the messy intersection where different worlds collide. Here's a practical trick. Reframe your problems as questions. Instead of saying, our sales are down, ask, how could we make our customer experience so amazing that people can't stop talking about it? Or, in what ways could we deliver our product to a totally new audience? That simple switch flips your brain from a state of defeat to a state of possibility. And finally, be willing to experiment. Test your weird ideas on a small scale and treat failure not as a crisis, but as precious data that points you toward the right answer. Meta skill 4, disciplined execution, closing the gap. The fourth meta skill is disciplined execution, and it's what makes everything else real. You can have the most brilliant ideas, incredible self-awareness, and lightning-fast learning skills, but without execution, it's all just talk. This skill is the bridge between your great intentions and actual results. We live in a world that's obsessed with life hacks and finding that one burst of motivation. But real achievers know that motivation is flaky. It comes and goes. Discipline is what shows up day after day, especially on the days you don't feel like it. It's your commitment to a system, not a mood. This skill is about understanding that huge wins aren't born from one heroic effort. They are the sum of thousands of small, consistent actions. It's the difference between saying you want to write a book and actually sitting down to write 300 words every single day, no matter what. To build this muscle, focus on habits. A killer technique is called habit stacking. Instead of trying to pull a new habit out of thin air, just attach it to one you already have. For instance, after I pour my morning coffee, I will meditate for 2 minutes. Or, right after I close my laptop for lunch, I will spend 15 minutes on my learning project. It makes the new habit feel almost automatic. Another secret weapon is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. Don't schedule it, don't think about it, just get it done. This stops the buildup of all those tiny tasks that suck away your mental energy. And for your bigger goals, use the same idea to just get started. I'll just read 1 page, or I'll just write for 2 minutes. The goal isn't to finish. It's to make starting so ridiculously easy that you can't say no. That's how you build unstoppable momentum. Meta skill 5, social intelligence, the force multiplier. And that brings us to our 5th and final meta skill, social intelligence. This is the one that multiplies the power of all the others. Your personal brilliance can only take you so far. Your ability to connect with, listen to, and influence other people is what gives your work impact and scale. In a world that's becoming more digital and automated by the second, the ability to create real, genuine human connection is becoming incredibly rare and incredibly valuable. You can be the most talented person in the room, But if you can't explain your ideas, listen to feedback without getting defensive, or understand where your team is coming from, your talent stays locked in a box. Developing this starts with one huge shift in how you have conversations. You need to listen more than you talk. And I mean really listen. Active listening isn't just waiting for your turn to speak. It's listening to actually understand. Your only goal is to fully grasp what the other person is saying, the emotions underneath their words, and what they aren't saying. A simple way to practice this is to try and summarize their point back to them so well that they say, yes, that's exactly it. Then you can share your perspective. The other half of this coin is empathy, the ability to genuinely understand what someone else is feeling. A powerful, if challenging way to build this is to take an issue you feel strongly about and try to make the best possible argument for the other side. It forces you to step outside of your own bubble and see the valid logic and emotion on the opposing side. It doesn't mean you have to change your mind, but it builds the mental flexibility you need for real trust and collaboration. So there they are. Learning agility, radical self-awareness, creative problem solving, disciplined execution, and social intelligence. This isn't just another buzzword-filled list. These are the core pillars that all other success is built on. Stop focusing only on the skills that will land you your next job and start investing in the meta skills that will build you an unstoppable career. If this resonated with you, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more ideas on how to build a future-proof life. Now, I've got a question for you. Which of these 5 meta skills are you going to start working on first? Drop it in the comments below. I genuinely love to hear your story. Thanks for watching.